In the dynamic world of online video, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. YouTube automation is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for creators of all levels. It's about working smarter, not harder, by leveraging tools and strategies to streamline your workflow. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. Think of YouTube automation as your secret weapon, helping you to navigate the ever-evolving YouTube landscape. It's about automating repetitive tasks, optimizing your content for maximum visibility, and ultimately growing your channel exponentially. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, understanding and implementing automation can significantly elevate your YouTube game. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and practical tips to harness the power of YouTube automation in 2024. We'll delve into key areas like content scheduling, SEO optimization, AI moderation, and data analytics. By embracing automation effectively, you can free up valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on your creative vision and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Before diving into the technical aspects of YouTube automation, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation for your channel, your content strategy. Remember, content is king. It's the heart and soul of your YouTube channel, and automation should enhance, not overshadow, its quality and originality. Start by identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your videos? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start brainstorming video ideas that cater to their specific needs and interests. Remember to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Creating a content calendar can be incredibly helpful in organizing your ideas and ensuring a consistent upload schedule. This will not only keep you on track, but also give your audience something to look forward to. Consider different video formats such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or behind-the-scenes glimpses to keep your content diverse and engaging. Remember, consistency is key. One of the most significant advantages of YouTube automation is the ability to schedule your video uploads in advance. This not only saves you time, but also allows you to strategically release your content when your audience is most active online. By analyzing your YouTube analytics data, you can identify peak viewing times and schedule your uploads accordingly. Several scheduling tools are available, such as YouTube's built-in scheduler, Hootsuite, or Buffer, that can streamline this process for you. These tools allow you to schedule your videos weeks or even months in advance, ensuring a consistent flow of content even when you're busy creating new videos or taking a well-deserved break. Remember, consistency is key to building a loyal audience on YouTube. By scheduling your uploads, you're not only making life easier for yourself, but also creating a predictable viewing experience for your subscribers. This consistency can lead to increased watch time, engagement, and ultimately channel growth. Creating great content is just the first step. Ensuring that your videos are easily discoverable by your target audience is equally crucial. This is where search engine optimization, SEO, comes in. Think of SEO as the language you need to speak to communicate effectively with YouTube's search algorithm. Start by conducting thorough keyword research to identify relevant terms that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ to find popular keywords related to your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't forget about closed captions and subtitles. Not only do they make your content accessible to a wider audience, but they also provide another opportunity to include relevant keywords. Remember, the goal is to provide as much context as possible to YouTube's algorithm so that it can understand what your video is about and rank it accordingly. In the visually driven world of YouTube, your video thumbnail is the first impression you make on potential viewers. It's the virtual storefront of your content, and a compelling thumbnail can be the deciding factor in whether someone chooses to watch your video or scrolls past it. Invest time in creating visually appealing, high-resolution thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and intriguing imagery to capture attention. Consider incorporating elements like text overlays or close-up shots of faces to create a sense of intrigue and encourage clicks. Remember, your thumbnail should complement your video's title and description, working together to create a cohesive and enticing package for viewers. A/B testing different thumbnail variations can be a valuable strategy to identify what resonates best with your audience and optimize your click-through rate. While automation can streamline various aspects of your YouTube channel, it's crucial to remember that genuine engagement stems from creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. Focus on storytelling, delivering value, and fostering a sense of community within your videos. Start your videos strong with a captivating hook that grabs the viewer's attention within the first few seconds. Maintain their engagement throughout the video with dynamic visuals, clear audio, and a well-paced narrative. Encourage interaction by asking questions, prompting viewers to leave comments, or incorporating polls and quizzes. Remember, building a loyal audience on YouTube is about fostering a two-way conversation. Respond to comments, engage with your viewers on social media, and create a sense of belonging within your community. Authenticity and genuine connection are key to building lasting relationships with your audience. As your YouTube channel grows, managing your community and ensuring a positive and respectful environment for your viewers becomes increasingly important. AI moderation tools have emerged as valuable assets for creators, automating comment moderation and protecting your community from spam, hate speech, and other inappropriate content. These intelligent tools use machine learning algorithms to identify and flag potentially harmful comments, saving you time and effort while maintaining a safe and inclusive space for your viewers. You can customize the sensitivity of these tools to align with your channel's specific guidelines and values. While AI moderation tools are incredibly helpful, it's essential to review flagged comments periodically and make final moderation decisions. This ensures that genuine comments are not mistakenly removed and allows you to maintain a personal touch in your community management. Data is a powerful tool for growth on YouTube. Regularly analyzing your channel's performance provides valuable insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. YouTube Analytics offers a wealth of data that can help you refine your content strategy, optimize your videos, and ultimately grow your channel. Pay close attention to metrics such as watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. These metrics provide valuable clues about what's working well and what areas need improvement. Use this data to understand which video topics resonate most with your audience, what time of day they're most active, and which videos are driving the most traffic to your channel. By making data-driven decisions, you can continually optimize your content and ensure that it's aligned with your audience's interests. Building a strong brand is essential for long-term success on YouTube. Your brand encompasses your channel's visual identity, your content's style and tone, and the overall message you convey to your audience. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. Create a visually appealing and memorable channel banner and logo that reflects your brand's personality. Use consistent colors, fonts, and imagery across your channel art, thumbnails, and social media profiles. Develop a unique voice and tone for your videos that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. Remember, your brand is more than just a logo or a color scheme. It's the emotional connection you build with your audience. Be authentic, engage with your viewers, and stay true to your brand's values. A strong brand fosters trust and loyalty, essential ingredients for long-term success on YouTube. While embracing YouTube automation can significantly enhance your channel's growth, it's crucial to prioritize compliance with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Violating these guidelines can result in penalties, including video removals, strikes against your channel, or even channel termination. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies regarding spam, deceptive practices, copyright infringement, and content that is harmful or misleading. Ensure that your automated processes, such as scheduling tools and AI moderation, are aligned with these guidelines. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Prioritizing ethical practices and adhering to platform guidelines will contribute to your channel's long-term growth and sustainability. Stay informed, stay compliant, and focus on building a community based on trust and respect. YouTube automation is an ever-evolving landscape, with new tools and strategies emerging constantly. As we look toward the future, We can expect to see even more sophisticated automation options, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, further streamlining the content creation process. However, it's important to remember that automation should complement, not replace, human creativity and ingenuity. The heart of successful YouTube channels lies in the ability to connect with viewers on an emotional level, tell compelling stories, and foster a sense of community. Embrace automation as a powerful ally in your YouTube journey, but never lose sight of the human element that makes your content truly special. By striking a balance between automation and creativity, prioritizing compliance, and remaining adaptable to the ever-changing digital landscape, you can unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel and achieve lasting success.